Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Blooming English Avenue. Grow your English, bloom your future. I'm Sam, and today begins a brand new, practical, and deeply encouraging journey for your speaking confidence. If you've ever understood English in your head, but froze when it was time to reply, if you worry that your grammar isn't perfect, if you feel shy about your accent, this session is built for you. Here is the truth we rarely say. You do not need perfect grammar to start speaking. You do not need a native accent to be understood. You do not need long study hours to improve. What you need is steady, short, voice out loud practice. The kind that trains your mouth, your breath, your timing, and your courage. That is what shadowing gives you. Today is day 1 of a 3-part training. Each part keeps the same quantity and duration of practice as our original format, but the sentences you repeat are now focused on real pain points such as anxiety, blank mind moments, accent, insecurity, fear of mistakes, and not enough time. We will speak directly to those challenges with words you can use today, in a cafe, order, a work call, or a quick chat with a friend. Before we start, set yourself up to win. For posture and breath, sit tall or stand, roll your shoulders back. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. For volume, speak out loud so your ears can hear your voice. For pacing, go slower than you think. Speed creates pressure, and clarity beats speed. For mindset, aim for progress, not perfection. Every mistake is a teacher, not a judge. Here is how the session works. I will read a short sentence 3 times. After each line, you repeat out loud. Follow the subtitles. Notice the highlighted words and copy my rhythm. If you want extra time, pause the video and repeat again. This part includes 10 sentences designed to unlock your voice when nerves, doubt, or pressure appear. Ready, hand on your heart. Deep breath in and out. Let us begin your shadowing challenge. Part 1. Sentence 1. Speak through nerves. I can speak even when I'm nervous. I can speak even when I'm nervous. I can speak even when I'm nervous. Why this helps? We're not waiting for confidence to appear first. We generate it by acting soft voice, slow pace, simple words. Courage grows after the first sentence, not before. If your hands shake, that's okay. Keep breathing. Keep speaking. Sentence 2. Grammar isn't the gatekeeper. I don't need perfect grammar to be understood. I don't need perfect grammar to be understood. I don't need perfect grammar to be understood. Real life rewards clarity, not textbook perfection. Short sentences are your friend. 1 idea per breath. You'll notice listeners relax when you relax. Sentence 3. Accent ownership. My accent is part of me. Clarity matters more. My accent is part of me. Clarity matters more. My accent is part of me. Clarity matters more. Accents are stories of where you've been. Keep what's beautifully yours and train what helps others understand stress rhythm and key sounds. That's the winning combo. Sentence 4. Celebrate small wins. One small sentence is a win. One small sentence is a win. One small sentence is a win. Why this matters. Your brain loves success. Micro wins build a habit loop. One order at a cafe. One question to a colleague. One greeting to a neighbor. Stack these daily. Sentence 5. Slow down to speed up. I breathe and slow down before I answer. I breathe and slow down before I answer. I breathe and slow down before I answer. Slowing down reduces word search panic. A calm breath unlocks the phrase you already know. Your next line arrives when your body feels safe. Sentence 6. Use the words you own. I choose. Simple words. I already know. I choose. Simple words. I already know. I choose. Simple words. I already know. You don't need fancy vocabulary. Simplicity is a superpower. The shorter the sentence, the clearer your message, the faster the connection. Sentence 7. Buy time, don't freeze. I can ask for time. Give me a second. I can ask for time. Give me a second. I can ask for time. Give me a second. Time phrases are your emergency brake. One moment, please. Let me think. Could you repeat that? They protect your focus and steady your breath. Sentence 8. Reframe mistakes. Mistakes are data, not drama. Mistakes are data, not drama. Mistakes are data, not drama. When you mispronounce or forget a word, you're collecting training signals. Adjust. Try again. That's how athletes get fast and how speakers get fluent. Sentence 9. Train your inner voice. I practice thinking in English for short moments. I practice thinking in English for short moments. I practice thinking in English for short moments. Pick tiny windows brushing teeth, waiting for the elevator, walking to the bus. Describe what you see. Plan what you'll say. 30 seconds counts. Sentence 10. Consistency beats intensity. I show up for 5 minutes today. I show up for 5 minutes today. I show up for 5 minutes today. 5 focused minutes. Voice out loud every day beats 1 long session on Saturday. Fluency loves rhythm. Keep the beat daily. Great job, 10 sentences complete. Pause, breathe, and notice how your body feels. Your tongue and jaw are warming up. Your breath is steadier, and your inner critic is quieter. That is the point of part 1. Reduce pressure, increase clarity, and build trust with your own voice. Before we wrap, part 1. Let us lock in 3 micro techniques you can use anywhere. The 4-beat answer. When someone asks you a question, answer with 4 short groups. Thanks for asking. Let me think. Here is my idea. What do you think? This structure gives you time and makes your speech sound organized. The mirror move. If the listener speaks fast, mirror the energy, not the speed. Keep your pace. Smile, nod, say, then deliver a clear, short line. You will sound confident and considerate. The restart. If a sentence breaks midway, restart with a simpler version. Sorry, let me say it another way. Then use the shortest words possible. Restarting shows control, not failure. Now a quick cool down to lock the gains. Inhale for 4, hold for 2, exhale for 6. Roll your shoulders, release your jaw. Whisper any one sentence from today, and then say it at normal volume. You just finished part 1 of our 3-part shadowing challenge here on Blooming English EvenU. These 10 sentences target real fears and real situations, so you can walk into your next conversation with calm clarity. If any sentence was tough, that is where growth lives. Rewind, repeat, and let your mouth learn the motion. Confidence is a muscle. It grows when used. I am Sam, and I am proud of you for showing up today. When you are ready, come back for part 2. We will add mini situations and build longer responses while staying slow, natural, and clear. Until then, keep breathing, keep speaking, and remember, one small sentence is a win.